Hi everyone, I'm Susan and I'm from the Ozford Institute of Higher Education, and we are located in Australia, right here in the heart of Melbourne. Today I'm here with one of my higher education students, Mayan Shally from India. Hi Mayan.
Hi, how are you?
Mayan is from Rajasthan in India, and he's been with us since around June of last year. Mayan started off in our CRICOS program, and now he's studying the Bachelor of Business Accounting. So I'm going to get Mayan to tell you all a little bit about what life is all about studying at Ozford. Mayan,
Yes.
tell us a little bit about your course, and maybe firstly we start with Melbourne. What's living in Melbourne like?
It's too good as compared to the other countries and other cities, because it's like there are a lot of places where we need to go, and if you want to like feel as a core, like if you want to see snowfall, then like there is just 405 kilometers from the Melbourne Mount Buller. You need to go out there and enjoy the snow falling, and like the transportation, public transport system, and every facility you find here in a good way. And
Yes, thank you, Mayan. And I just heard that Mayan is now a chef. He's chefing part-time. Tell us a little bit about what type of food you're cooking, Mayan.
like I'm cooking like Italian food and
Wow.
Aussie foods like chicken parma, lamb kebab, and etc. Like different type of foods here in like Lazy Mois Italian restaurants.
Okay, so as a student here, you get to work part-time, 20 hours or 40 hours per fortnight. So that's what Mayan is doing whilst he's pursuing his Bachelor of Business Accounting at Ozford. So tell us a little bit about Ozford, Mayan.
If I truly sad about Ozford, in my whole life, like as in study in India and here in Australia, I can't find any college and any like teacher here, because like every teacher is like as a family. If you have need to take any help, I personally tell about myself. If I have any problem here in college in study, I tell to Susan. Susan tell to, here is also Indian teacher Amit Gover. Susan tell to him, and they both help us in a good way as a family, as like our parents.
Oh, thank you. That's really amazing to hear that. It's always fantastic to get positive feedback from your students. And Mayan, what about the course? What about the Bachelor of Business Accounting course? How do you find that?
I think that course is good. If you guys have a good cognition in accounting, in English, like you have need to do this course, because in this course like you have a lot of positive jobs in future, like you become as a manager, in a bank, in a good, like you get a job in a reputed companies, as we call like white collar job. You did that job and enjoyed that jobs very much, and like you also like increase your reputation in the society and in the public.
Okay, that's great, Mayan. And of course, our Bachelor of Business Accounting is accredited by CPA and CA, Australia, New Zealand. So important accreditations for a student who would like to live and work in an international setting. So Mayan, anything else you'd like to add about
Just add,
Ozford?
if like guys any college want to study here in Australia in Melbourne, I recommend to all of my friends and which persons who messages me every time, what about Ford College, what about Melbourne, I just tell you, enjoy here. You enjoy your
Thank
life
you.
here, because if like I'm that type of person, I don't easily like got contacted with each other easily. Because you guys already know about me, who are my add on my Facebook as well as on my Instagram, that I don't like properly adjust me with everyone, but in Ozford I adjust with everyone is in a good way, and I don't think that you find any better college as well as uni here in Melbourne as compared to Ozford. I
Thank
don't
you
think so.
very much,
There is
Maya.
any like this.
Thank you so much.
Nice.
So remember guys, if you'd like to connect with Mayank, he's on Facebook, Mayan Shally, and myself, of course, Ozford Susan on Ozford Australia as well. And we'd like to see you or hear from all of you.
Just like lots of friends on the Facebook, on Messenger, on Instagram, just messages me about asking my college. I don't have any problem to reply all the messages, because I'm happy when someone is asking from me about the colleges, and I already suggest each and every person about this, that Ozford is best. And
Thank you so
who
much.
are applying like here, still here in the Ozford College, best of luck for them to get a visa, and you get a chance to study in the best college here in Melbourne. There is not any college like this.
Thank you, Maya. And of course, it is a privilege to get a visa to come and study in Ozford, in Australia. So I hope to see all of you here very soon. And thank you, Mayan Shally.
It's like,
Bye
it's
bye,
my
everyone.
pleasure. Bye.
Bye bye.